I was given these pumpkins and I'm going to be giving them a makeover. They were given to me because, well, they're faded and no longer looking fresh and pretty. So I've got some spray paint, 4 different colors. Let me show you those. 4 different colors: yellow, green, white, and orange. I haven't really made up my mind how I'm gonna paint them. I'm just gonna kind of get started and see what looks best. I did protect the rest of the pumpkin with this piece of metal. Alright, there's that one. Looking better already. And the second one, I'm also going to do the green. And there's that one with the top painted. Already looks better. I think I'm going to do this orange and this white. And on this one, I'm going to do the yellow and orange on this one. I think that's what I'll do on this one. Alright. But I have to let the green dry first because I'm going to have to cover that to keep it from getting the overspray. So I'm going to let these dry for a little while. Now I'm going to... I've protected the leaves with the bag, so now I'm going to spray the orange. And now I'm going to do the white. And on this one, I was going to do the yellow. And then some orange. Not sure I like that one. We'll see. Nope, couldn't get over the yellow looking like a pineapple, so I'm redoing it. leave it white or add some orange. Much better. No more pineapple under the sea. And that is how you turn trash into treasure. If you find some of these at like yard sales and they look dingy and need a new coat of paint, it took me less than 5 minutes to do these. The cement pumpkins you see here we made a few years ago. I got some marigolds in there. And this isn't all of my fall decorating. This is just the beginning. But I wanted to get those pumpkins repainted because they were not looking very pretty. The other two will need a new coat of paint next year, but they're okay this year. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.